Various tools found in a carving workshop. Their ease of use, feel in the hand, and beauty of form are the result of accumulated experience and wisdom. Each tool has been perfected over hundreds of years, by generations of craftsmen. However, among them are tools that are no longer used at all today, and others that remain stored away, untouched. In the gradual, step-by-step evolution of tools, the introduction of power tools brought about the greatest change. Cutting wood to size, planing it, drilling holes in unnecessary sections and cutting them away. Among the tools once used mainly for these preparatory processes, some have disappeared entirely from the workshop. On the other hand, the variety of chisels used for carving has continued to increase. Flat chisels, used for rough carving. Straight chisels are used for flat surfaces, verticals, and straight lines, while bent neck chisels are used for deep, hard-to-reach areas. Round gouges used for carving grooves. Some have deeply curved blades, others shallow curves. And there are large ones, and small ones as well. To achieve richer expression and greater working efficiency, about 30 types of chisels are necessary. From rough carving to finishing work, a sculptor is said to prepare more than 200 chisels. It is not uncommon for craftsmen to commission a bladesmith to create original, custom-made chisels. By setting the blade and shaping it themselves, they develop a sense of unity with their tools. This bond is said to grow during time that may seem wasteful at first glance, time that cannot be measured by efficiency alone. Japan's blade culture is renowned throughout the world. The sharpness of these blades has been brought out by sharpeners and by craftsmen who have mastered how to use them. Even today, as the idea of simply replacing a dull blade, common with power tools, has become widespread, in the world of handcraft and Manami sculpture, work still begins with caring for one's tools.